coachSathi. The first permission required for coachSathi is a notification. We get the important alerts from coachSathi. We can allow the notification by clicking the allow. The next permission is required is the location access. Location access is required to show the real-time movement of trains and the coaches. By clicking the accept button, we can access the location while using the app. Welcome to the coachSathi. It consists of three screens: login screen, login with mobile, and the new user sign up screen. Let's see the sign up screen. It consists of the email, password, mobile number, coach positions, uh, zone, divisions, and depot, and request for sign up. During the registration and login, the permissions are used as use biometric or use fingerprint and internet access network state. The biometric used for secure login using the device fingerprint and internet access is required to communicate with our secure servers, verified user details, and maintain login sessions. Let's see the login. Once the user login, these are the screen displayed. Let's see the functionalities of the app. First one is notification. The notification section is used to get the updates and important instructions and alerts. The permission is used here is post notification, wake, lock, and receive boot completed. These are the permissions are used in notification section. Next, train tracker screen. Here user can select the train number and the appropriate date and click on submit. Train tracker screen shows the real-time movement of trains and the coaches. The permissions are used to access find location, access coach location, used for real-time train and coaches tracking, so staff can update their task based on the current train position. And the foreground service allow the app to track the train movement continuously when you are viewing the train tracker screen. Here by clicking the pick image, we can pick the image and click on submit for submitting. Image is submitted. For picking the images from camera, here the app requires the camera permissions to access it. Here we have delete option to delete it. By clicking on the delete, the image should be deleted. Let's see the attendances. The recently uploaded images. For the attendance, we have the delete option also. For the selected train and the date. Let's see other functionality. View feedbacks. Here we can view feedbacks by selecting the train numbers and the date. We get the appropriate feedbacks for the selected date. View feedback section. Here we can select the train numbers and the date and we get the appropriate feedbacks according to it. Next feature is passenger feedback. In the passenger feedback, user enter the valid PNR number. After entering the valid PNR number, click on validate. Then user can select the appropriate column recording the feedback: excellent, good, average, poor. After that, pick images or videos for feedback. By clicking, it has two access: camera and the gallery. So for this, the permissions are required: read media images, read external storage or write external storage, and camera access for picking the images in the feedback section. Let's see camera. Any image or video, click an image. So selected images are displayed. If you don't want, click on wrong and enter the feedback email and click on submit feedback after the all fields are completed. Let's see the rake deficiency feature. Here also user can select the train number and the date and click on submit. It show the coaches. Here, staff can quickly record the coach deficiency, attach the photos, and submit them digitally. For these permissions are used internet and network state and for picking up the image, camera, external image, read media images, read external storage and write external storage as permissions are required. Let's see by selecting an issue, save selection. Let's pick the images, either pick from gallery or the camera. Next, add some comments regarding that and click on submit and upload. Once upload is completed, the issues are displayed here, reported by resolved by status, and the uploaded image also displayed here. We have the option delete report also. We can click on delete report. This is a confirmation delete. If you want delete, click delete, or no, click cancel. Next is OBHS to MCC handover. Similarly, it also have the selection of train number and the date. Click on submit. We get the coaches regarding this, and click on any coaches. Here the staff can hand over digitally and reduce the manpower, and we can select the issues, save the selection, and also pick images and videos. For this permissions are required like internet, foreground services, and for images we require both the camera and read media images and read external storages. Click on pick images, pick from camera, click on the images and add some comments, submit and upload. Once uploaded is completed, uploaded images and issues are displayed here. Next feature is customer care. Here the user can contact with the customers. Here user can click on call or the WhatsApp directly contact. For this, the permissions are required call phone and the internet access for the WhatsApp. And next section is language, multi-language support. Here we can select multiple language. All the fields are updated to the multi-language. Let's see the enabling of the fingerprint, and so the user can log in with the fingerprint. By clicking on this icon, there is an option called enable fingerprint login. Click on this. So we can enable by our fingerprint with the device fingerprint. For this, the permissions are required: use biometric or use fingerprint, and internet access and network state. Let's see the deactivate account. See the coachSathi deactivation account. Deactivate the account. Click proceed. Enter the OTP sent to the email. And click verify email. Next, enter the OTP sent to the phone and click deactivate. So account is deactivated successfully. Let's see how the deactivated account is able to log in or not. When click on login, we get an error that please contact admin to enable, because our account is deactivated now. Let's see the login of the deactivated account. Enter the password and the mobile number and click on login. An exception occurred because the account is deactivated. Once the admin is activate, then we can easily access our credential and able to log in.